We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny. What are we making?
Lily, this is a classic right here.
Okay.
This is called Sunday sauce. Not Sunday gravy, Sunday sauce.
Sauce.
Good amount of salt and pepper. That's what you want to hear when you put it down. That's what you're looking for, that nice brown.
That's a smell of my childhood right there. My mom fried up everything.
So while the oil is still hot, we're gonna go in with our sausage next. We're just looking to get a little color on these. They're gonna finish cooking in the sauce. Next, we're gonna go in with the meatballs.
Oh yeah.
You gotta fry meatballs. We're gonna put our marinara sauce right in the pot that we cooked our meat in, and now we're going back in with our meat.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good.
Throw a lid on it, throw it in the oven. That's 3 hours in the oven.
Wow.
You want it so that the meat falls off the bone.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Yeah. And then it wouldn't be Sunday sauce without a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano.
There you go.
Right? This is Sunday sauce right here.
Right here. So I know what you're doing this Sunday. So head to our website, newshelp.com, get the recipe, and make it, and dip your bread. Thanks, Vin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.